Top 5 most dangerous wild animals. Number 5, polar bear. The largest land carnivore, capable of hunting and overpowering anything in its path. Number 4, Cape buffalo, known as the Black Death. It charges at full speed and won't stop attacking until the threat is eliminated. Number 3, hippopotamus. Surprisingly aggressive and can run faster than humans on land. Number 2, African lion. A powerful predator with razor-sharp claws and the ability to take down large prey. Number 1, saltwater crocodile. The strongest bite force of any animal, can crush bones instantly